Hello everyone, I'm Kevin Gino, Product Expert and Support Manager at Lumiscaphe. To start with, who are we? Briefly, we are an editor and an integrator of 3D software for the industry. Our head office is in Bordeaux, but we also have offices in Paris, Tokyo and Shanghai. And our customers are in Europe, North America and Asia. The company was created 20 years ago and is still managed by its founders. Today, I would like to introduce you to some of the tools of the Lumiscaphe ecosystem. Our ecosystem includes Patchwork 3D, our authoring software that allows you to obtain photorealistic images or renderings. We also have WebRender, which allows us to produce a large number of images, for example, for web configurators, as for the automotive industry, used among others at Renault. Here we are on Renault's website. This is a configurator for one of their cars, the Capture, and you can configure it, and all renders are done by WebRender. We also have collaborative tools, Axel VR and Lumis 3D, which I will talk about today. These tools allow you to do immersive and collaborative project review, but also to share your 3D data from anywhere. Of course, use cases will support my presentation to explain how our customers use and integrate this software in their design process. First of all, I would like to talk about our visualization software, Axel VR. As you know, for many industrial companies, virtual reality is becoming a strategic issue in order, among other things, to carry out project reviews. Faurecia, an automotive equipment manufacturer, uses our Axel VR solution to highlight design and product innovation concepts with simulation, environment and lighting, mobile elements, and HMI. The photorealism and the real-time visualization and immersive sharing are highly appreciated by the company's design teams, who have been able to reduce the use of physical models and thus reduce costs and lead times. Validation of volumes, functionality, and ergonomics are verified in VR. Faurecia has therefore equipped its design studio with virtual reality headsets, gradually replacing the tools needed to create physical models. Our software, Axel VR, goes further, as it is designed to facilitate collaborative work. The Connect Peers feature makes teamwork in virtual reality possible, even remotely, by synchronizing scenes between sites and displaying 3D rendering. For example, Faurecia world teams synchronize to do project reviews despite the geographical distance between them. Another use case at Stelia Aerospace, an aerospace equipment manufacturer that designs and manufactures aerostructures elements and aircraft seats, Axel VR is not only used for in-house reviews, but above all, for customer reviews. I will let you watch this short excerpt from a film shot at the premises in Rochefort.
Axel VR peut être utilisé pour faire de la réalité virtuelle lors de revues collaboratives dans le cadre d'un programme ou d'un co-développement avec un client.
As you can see, Stelia Aerospace uses our collaborative solutions to optimize exchanges and information sharing between them, industrials, and their customers, the airlines. In order to facilitate this type of project review, and to allow users to stay informed of modifications and project progress, the CAD Tools function allows the visualization of the points to be modified. This feature is highly appreciated by our Japanese automotive customers. CAD tools allow in virtual reality to bring information to the model, to move surfaces, to deform the model, to draw free curves, without having to go through the Patchwork 3D authoring software, just by using controllers and a virtual reality headset. The most important thing is that these VR modifications are automatically updated in the CAD model. This feature is a perfect answer to the need to respond faster and faster to market demands. One of our Japanese customers has tripled the speed of their product design thanks to the CAD tool functionality. This is why he decided to deploy the use of Axel VR in all other countries with a design studio. Now I would like to tell you about Lumis 3D, our online digital solution. The great advantage of Lumis 3D is that it makes it possible to visualize, annotate, and configure photorealistic 3D renders on any media. The solution allows a simplified collaboration between teams for the review of photorealistic 3D visuals. Remote validation is possible, greatly facilitated by the quality of the renderings, but also by the possibility of posting comments on current projects. When we talk about visualization and the possibility to play with the different configurations, to compare on the same screen several combinations of products, we do not say everything. Indeed, Lumis 3D goes further, allowing you to share all of this simply through an HTML link, not requiring an existing Lumis 3D or Lumiscaphe account. What I want to expose on this point is the fact that you can, from a simple link, share to your customer the 3D rendering, allowing him to view the product, the different configurations, from anywhere, without having you to meet each other, which is very convenient to move products forward. To show you the truth of what I'm saying, I will demonstrate directly in Lumis 3D. You can see an aeronautical seat designed by our teams of designers and computer graphic designers. You can move around, you can change the configurations, and you can also check the animations. You can now perfectly perceive the ease with which your customer can discover the product. As I told you, Lumis 3D is a perfect tool for working at a distance, but also for allowing the customer to project the future project in his environment, and not only with a photorealistic 3D rendering, but also with augmented reality. I'll let you see how Stelia Aerospace also uses this collaboration solution.
En phase d'avant-vente, le rendu photoréaliste est utilisé en support des activités commerce et marketing pour la customisation de nos produits au plus près des besoins du client.
We can easily say that the possibility to see aircraft seats in virtual reality with Axel VR or in augmented reality with Lumis 3D strongly reduces the design costs, but also facilitates the possibility of customer demonstrations. Also, you can see your 3D renderings and compare them in full real time with WebGL, through the gateway to Patchwork Explorer Web. Directly from Lumis, here, again, you can see your product in real time. You can compare, you can change the configuration, and you can play the animations. Axel VR and Lumis 3D are complementary for 3D model visualization. And it goes even further, thanks to our unique file format and a direct gateway in Axel VR that allows you to access data on Lumis 3D simply. Each user can view exactly the same model with the same rendering quality on the platform of their choice, one on a mobile tablet, the other in a VR headset. As you will have understood, the two tools I mentioned during this presentation are highly appreciated by our customers, offering a real possibility to work and advance projects even remotely. Before finishing my presentation, I would like to take advantage of this conference to announce the free version of our Patchwork 3D software. The community version, which cannot be used for commercial purposes, allows you to access the photorealistic rendering of our authoring software. And as I didn't tell you about it during this presentation, I will let you discover by yourself its feature and the rendering quality, which is then used in the software of the Lumiscaphe ecosystem, by going to the betacommunity.patchwork3d.com website.